Hakan Rutrik Nailar Arhajar Arpulai, Lapalat Paiba Yak music video Tears of Manipur, Balarwai de Kakorel Evangelist Maulai Shillong, Kabalapin Bit Pinbiang di Father Barnes Mauri. Hashwaban pelat yak music video I Father Barnes Mauri, iloong bakani ke music video kalongkum ke Jingrwai na Bynta ka Manipuri ke Jingeh Jingjenjar ba ka Manipur ka Shem Bynta kipor. Hakababon na ki kiladu e la ka jong ka Jingem. Badru banwan ra biang ye ke Jingeh teli ke Jingeh song ho jingmut ban ye imsuk imsan. Ya kani ke music video la pelat pat ba di Father Raphael Mayong, but I Father Barnes Mauri. Ya kani ke music video la penmi da ke Don Bosco Media Network harengkat bat ka Vendrami Institute.
Yeah, good evening to all of you. This evening we are gathered here in this studio of the Don Bosco Youth Center for this very small function, and that is the release of our music video, which is titled Tears of Manipur. Just a little background to this production. In view of the, or let's say, in keeping with the spirit of the time in Northeast India, the feelings of the people, especially the sense of solidarity that people have with the people of Manipur who are suffering right now, because there is an ethnic violence there going on. So we also, as the members of the choral evangelists, as well as in collaboration with the Don Bosco Media Network, we would like to present this song of solidarity with the people of Manipur, and through this song we wish to communicate to our brothers and sisters in Manipur that we are with them, we are feeling their suffering, and we are very much concerned about their plight, and we continue to pray that they may really enjoy peace again one day. At the same time, we also appeal to all the people who are responsible, to all the stakeholders in the state, to do something so that the people can really get back that peace and harmony which they used to enjoy earlier. So let this song be kind of uplifting program that we give for the people of Manipur, not to all the people of Northeast, so that when by listening to this song, you may feel one with the people of Manipur and you empathize with them, and you also continue to pray for each one of them in the state of Manipur. And today we have Father Raphael Mayong, who is right now looking after this youth center in the absence of the director. So we would like to request him to release this song so that all the public, the people can really see and enjoy the song, at the same time feel that solidarity with the people of Manipur. Thank you.
Before we release this song, Tears of Manipur, this music is a universal language. I believe that through this music, those who are watching and listening to this video music will enjoy, and at the same time to pray for Manipur. And in the name of the director, Father Michael Macri, I congratulate Father Barnes and his team, the choral evangelists, for this great work that they are doing to make the people aware of the importance of the music, as we know that music is a universal language. So now I would like to release this video music.
Publish. I do publish.
In the TV channels and in social media, there are evil forces from within and from without who are fanning the flame. People have become victims of such pain. We, as members of the choral evangelist Shillong, empathize with our suffering brothers and sisters in Manipur, and we earnestly appeal to the concern of
Bynta.